Hello students, very good morning. Myself Rakesh Yadav, representing Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda, and we are discussing class 12th related chapter 5th continuity and differentiability, and we are discussing NCERT exercise 5.6, and here up to question number 7th we have done. We have to find dy by dx in this question 8th. X is equal to a in bracket cos t plus log 10t by 2 and y is equal to a sin t. So first of all, we have to write on differentiating with respect to t, because both are the functions of t only. So we have to differentiate both the functions with respect to t. So what we will get, dx by dt, this a is constant, so take it out, and then d by dt of cos t plus d by dt of log 10t by 2. And in denominator nothing is there. See, this is the part which we have to differentiate. Now dx by dt, this will become a differentiation of cos t minus sin t plus differentiation of log 10t by 2. Means differentiation of log x is what? 1 upon x, means 1 upon 10t by 2, and afterwards d by dt of 10t by 2. That also we have to do. Now dx by dt is equal to a minus sin t plus, we may write here cot t by 2, because 1 upon 10t by 2 is cot t by 2, and differentiation of 10t by 2 is sec square t by 2. Differentiation of 10x is sec square x, but in place of x t by 2 is there, so we have to differentiate t by 2 also. So d by dt of t by 2 again. So now this will become dx by dt is equal to a minus sin t in bracket plus cot t by 2, we may write cos t by 2 upon sin t by 2 again. Why is it so? Because we are writing this sec square t by 2 as 1 upon cos square t by 2. Why we are writing this? Because we want to cancel this cos t by 2 by this cos t by 2, and then d by dt of t by 2 is 1 by 2, half is taken out, and then d by dt of t is 1 only, so half into 1 is half. Now what we can do, you leave this part up to here dx by dt, and then dy by dt is equal to, it is very simple, a d by dt of cos sin t, that will be equal to cos t. So dy by dt is equal to a cos t. So dy by dt is equal to a cos t, and here we may take this 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 as what we may take here. Let us see, it is dy by dt which is completed already. Now dx by dt we have to proceed. So dx by dt is equal to what it is, a into in bracket minus sin t plus 1 upon 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2 is what? That is sin 2t, sin t. So plus 1 upon sin t we may write. Have you got this? We have applied one formula here, 2 sin t by 2 cos t by 2, half angle formula, that is equal to sin t. Now we can take LCM, sin t is LCM, so dx by dt is equal to a, we may write sin t as LCM. Now this positive one is taken in front, because when we divide sin t, this sin t by this sin t, then 1 will be the result. So 1 1s are 1, and here it is minus. Here in denominator 1 is there. So in table of 1, sin t will be in sin t times. So sin t into sin t is equal to sin square t. So dx by dt is equal to a cos square t upon sin t. Now what we have to find? dy by dt already we are having, and dx by dt is this part and that part. You remember this, it is related to this only up to here. Now dx by dt and dy by dt we have got. So what we have to find now? dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dt upon dx by dt. Value of dy by dt is, you know already, value of dy by dt is a cos square t upon sin t divided by a cos t. We have written in division symbol because here it is division symbol. So upon dx by dt means divided by a cos t. Now if we multiply it, here it is 1, so this will become 1 upon a cos t. So dy by dx is equal to a cos square t upon, that value we have taken wrong. See, dy by dt is first, so it is a cos t and it is divided by dx by dt, that is a cos square t upon sin t. Now if we change it in multiplication, see, value of dy by dt is this, a cos t divided by dx by dt means divided by a cos square t upon sin t. So dy by dx is equal to a cos t into what it will become? Sin t upon a cos square t. So this a is cancelled and this cos square t square is cancelled by this cos t. So sin t upon cos t is the remaining form. What we can write it? We can write it tan t. So this tan t is only the result. Again I am explaining it, please listen it. Here dy by dt is there, so dy by dt is a cos t, and here it is division symbol, so it is divided by this dx by dt because it is the denominator, so it is a cos square t upon sin t. If we change it in multiplication, then this denominator will become numerator and numerator will become denominator, then a is cancelled and then cos t is cancelled by this power of cos t, it is cos square t there. So cos square t square is cancelled by this cos t, so sin t upon cos t is tan t. This is only our answer for question 8. Now see question 9. Here x is equal to a sec theta and y is equal to b tan theta. So on differentiating, here theta is the parameter, so on differentiating with respect to theta we have to do. So dx by d theta is equal to a d by d theta of sec theta. Differentiation of sec theta with respect to theta is sec theta cos theta. So dx by d theta is equal to a sec theta tan theta. This is dx by d theta. Now we have to find dy by d theta. So dy by d theta is equal to b is taken out because it is the constant, and then d by d theta of tan theta. So differentiation of tan theta is sec square theta. So dy by d theta is equal to b sec square theta. Now we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to, here it is dy by d theta and there here it is dx by d theta. So dy by d theta upon dx by d theta. Dy by d theta value is b sec square theta and dx by d theta is a sec theta tan theta. Now this sec theta is cancelled by this sec theta. So what it will become? See, we may write this sec theta as 1 upon cos theta. So b into 1 upon cos theta, and we may write this tan theta as sin theta upon cos theta. So it will become sin theta upon cos theta. Now this cos theta can be cancelled. So what will happen now? Now it will become b upon a and then into 1 upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta means what? 1 upon sin theta means cosec theta. So it will be equal to b upon a cosec theta. This is only our answer. See what we have done here, we have applied trigonometry. It is b sec square theta and this is a sec theta tan theta. So sec theta is cancelled by this one power, that is sec square theta it is. So now it is sec theta upon tan theta. Sec theta can be written as 1 upon cos theta and tan theta can be written as sin theta upon cos theta. So this cos theta will be cancelled. B upon a into 1 upon sin theta is there. 1 upon sin theta is cosec theta. So it is b upon a cosec theta is the value of dy by dx in question 9. It is over. Thanks a lot for watching our video. Sandipani Higher Secondary School Rajoda. Like it, subscribe it and share it.